Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting essentials so you can act quickly. Install Python 3. 9+, create and activate a virtualenv, and install NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn. While you install, review linear algebra fundamentals and probability rules to understand model behavior. Once done, initialize a Git repo and import a small CSV dataset to explore. This early setup prevents configuration dead ends and lets you focus on modeling, not environment problems, as you move to building your first pipeline. You now transform data and iterate on models. Start by cleaning rows, imputing missing values, encoding categoricals, and scaling numeric features so algorithms learn effectively. Then split into train/validation/test sets and implement a pipeline combining preprocessing with a simple baseline model, such as logistic regression or a decision tree. Make sure to use cross-validation and a grid or randomized search for hyperparameters. This helps you compare models reliably. Once you have a solid baseline, increase complexity or try ensembling for better. You finish by packaging and deploying a stable model. Export the trained artifact, joblib or oncs, write a minimal prediction API, and containerize with Docker for reproducible runs. Once deployed, monitor performance metrics and data distribution so you detect drift early and schedule retraining when accuracy degrades. If things go wrong, first validate incoming inputs and schema, then check logs for preprocessing mismatches. Consistent input validation and error logging are the single most effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.